Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a members area on Wix. First, navigate to your Wix editor and locate the Add Apps icon on the left sidebar. Search for Wix members area and click to add it to your site. This essential step integrates the core functionality needed for member management. You'll then be prompted to choose between adding a new members page or connecting to an existing one, giving you flexibility in your site structure. Once the members area is installed, you can begin customizing the individual pages that members will interact with. This includes pages such as My Account, My Orders, or My Profile. You have full control over their design and content. Furthermore, you can add custom forms and fields to gather specific information during member registration, ensuring your data collection meets your unique needs. This allows for a truly personalized member experience. Effective member management is crucial for a thriving community. From your Wix dashboard, navigate to the Members tab. Here, you can view all registered members, approve or deny new requests, and even manually add members. A key feature is the ability to assign different roles, such as admin, premium member, or basic member. Each role can be granted specific permissions, controlling access to exclusive content or features on your site. To keep your members engaged and coming back, offer compelling benefits. This could include exclusive articles, special discounts, or early access to new products or services. Consider creating member-only forums or discussion groups to foster a sense of community and interaction. You can also leverage Wix's email marketing tools to send targeted campaigns to different member segments, ensuring your messages are relevant and impactful, driving continued engagement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.